Everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today's session is JavaScript data types. JavaScript provides different data types to hold different values. So there are two types of data types in JavaScript, primitive and non-primitive. JavaScript is a dynamic language, so it means we don't need to specify the type of variable, because you don't need to specify in the program if it's primitive or non-primitive, because JavaScript identifies or dynamically identifies that thing. So you need to use just var to specify the data type. Variable, var is for variable, so it can hold any value. It can be the number or it can be the string also. See, here we have written variable. Var is the name of our variable. You can change the name to whatever you want and you can put the value inside it. What kind of values you can put inside JavaScript variable? Let's see. First is string. JavaScript string represents the textual data. When you want to put some words, you are going to use string as your data type. If you want to store your name, then you are going to, I'm just going to keep this open and Sublime open. Let me open the new program. So I want to specify a name. So I'm going to use variable a hello or just alphabets. You can write in the double quotes or you can either write in single quotes also. That doesn't matter. You can use any. So this is for string. Then the next data type is number. So variable a equal to b, you will give 23. That is your number value. Now the next is big int. When you want to specify a big integer, you will write variable, your name, and give the big integer values. Boolean. Boolean means you want to specify true or false. So you are going to use variable data type boolean for true or false values. What we are going to use? Boolean as data type. So we specify for true or false. Then undefined. It means whose value is not initialized. The meaning of this is you create a variable, see, you give semicolon. You have created the variable but you have not updated it. There is a container but nothing is added in the container. That is the thing about your undefined value. Null. What is the meaning of null? It's empty. What is the meaning of null? It means it is going to be empty. You have to specify that you don't want to include anything in the null value. You write let a equal to null. So there is no object value, it means. Here the object is created but the value is not initialized. And this is primitive data type. You're not putting any value into it. Now symbol and object are non-primitive data types. What is a symbol used for? We have written let value equal to symbol hello. I'll show you. Let value equal to symbol So when you want to specify something unique in your program, you want to specify some unique value, you are going to use symbol. Then we have the object. It is a key value pairs of collection of data. What it is? Collection. What do we mean by collection of something? You want to specify a lot of things inside it. So how do we write? We write let student. So let student means what? You are creating a variable called student. Now what we want to do inside this student variable? Let student. I open the curly bracket. Inside this student, I am going to specify the name. I am going to specify the address, grade, whatever I want. Let student equal to. What we will do here? I'll write name colon, consider I write my name, I'll give the comma. Next value I want to store is address. I'll give ABC colony. I'll give the comma and I'll specify the grade. So your object is storing multiple values. It is a pair of lot of terms which we want to store in your program. Hope JavaScript data types are clear for you, primitive and non-primitive. We have seen symbol and object as a non-primitive data type. Hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you so much.